Hey guys, Steve with the Penguin Outdoors YouTube channel. Today I'm coming to you with another quick video to show you my under seat storage, aka my junk drawer on my Hobie Outback. So in one of my previous videos, I showed you guys how to build some do-it-yourself seat risers, which add several inches to the Hobie Outback seat. If you've done that mod, then you can have a junk drawer just like I did. So let me pull it out real quick and show it to you. So I went to Lowe's and I spent like right about 20 bucks on this box. What I really like about this box is that these bins are all removable. You can move them around, organize them differently if you want to. So what I've done is I've just thrown some miscellaneous tackle stuff in here and left two drawers open. What's really nice about this is when you're switching out lures and stuff on the water, you can just cut your old one off, drop it right into here and clean it all up later. It's just a good catch-all kind of place. Keeps it under the seat and out of your way. Now, when I pull it out from under the seat, I've got to kind of kick my feet off to the side because obviously it's going where my feet would normally be because it's a big box, but it works great. All I did was I took this is actually a strap from like a SUP carry strap or something like that, just something I had around. So it just Velcros around the landing gear back here and comes up here, and I just zip tied it to the handle so that it won't come out too far, and so that it won't come out too far. And then in here, when you're towing down the road, I've got my seat folded down, this bungeed on my seat, which also keeps the tackle box in there, junk drawer, whatever you want to call it. So I've seen guys, they've built them out of like PVC board and stuff with a slide out drawer for the PAs, which is super awesome. But as you guys know, material and stuff is pretty expensive right now, including PVC board. And this was just way cheaper and way easier. So I'm super happy with it. So if you've got your seat risen up and you need a junk drawer, I suggest this box from Lowe's, under 20 bucks. Tight lines, guys. Have a good one.